The keyboard is probably the most used feature of an iPhone. It is now possible to increase the size of your keyboard. Let's do that now. Open Settings. Scroll down and select Display and Brightness. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and select Display Zoom. From the two options that appear, select Large Text. Then, tap on Done in the top left. A confirmation box will slide in from the bottom. Tap Use Zoom to complete the process. The phone will restart and the keyboard will now be at a large size. Now, this setting zooms everything. Here is the original home screen, and here it is after the setting change. This is the only way I know to change the display size of the text on the home screen. All of the changes I've mentioned in these videos may seem pretty insignificant, but they add up. This is my home screen without the customization next to my home screen with the customizations.